7 factors that help in becoming a teenage millionaire. Number 1. Recognize the opportunity. Time kills more dreams than competition does. Start a business today. Don't wait until tomorrow. If you wait until you have free time, or others see your vision, then you miss your opportunity. Great teenage entrepreneurs launch their businesses as quickly as possible. Being too late to start a business can cause you to miss your window for success. Number 2. Take advantage of free revenue streams. You don't have to spend a fortune to promote a new brand. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Snapchat are great sites for generating free revenue-producing streams. All of these sites are free and just require some sweat equity to turn them into revenue machines. You have to put in the work to build a following, but when you do, it can pay off big time. Number 3. Possess a strong work ethic. There's no such thing as an overnight success story. People see your success, but they don't see your hustle. Most teenage millionaires do not make $1 million the first year. They put in lots of hours networking and building their brands. It takes time to sell products to the masses. The hard work pays off by the 3rd year, when many of the companies begin producing some serious cash. Number 4. Be a visionary. Great entrepreneurs are visionaries. Visionaries have a unique ability to focus on the long-term future and dedicate themselves to reaching the long-term target. They've mapped out the path to success in their mind and bring it to reality. Visionaries realize that you can turn a side hustle into a permanent cash cow. They realize the power of developing one big idea to rise to millionaire status. Number 5. Be resilient. You have to believe in your idea, even when others don't. In the beginning, there will be lots of critics and skeptics who doubt your ability to make it big with your business. There will even be people who laugh at your goal of getting rich as a teenager. After your business becomes a success, these people become believers and even buyers of your brand. Number 6. Be fearless. Don't be afraid to fail. No risk, no reward. If you tried a business before and it failed, then you should still try again. The first business idea is not always the golden goose. Sometimes you have to fail at one business and learn from that failure to find success at the next one. It only takes one successful business idea to change your whole life in a moment. Number 7. Find some deep pockets. You'll need money to finance your vision. Most teenage millionaires received seed funding from their parents. Family members contributed capital to get the business off the ground. Some businesses only took a couple $100s, while others received a couple $1,000s. Ask a parent, uncle, aunt, grandparent, or some other relative to invest in your business.